Joe Beermaster. We got a Dodge Ram pickup truck, 2500. I'll show you what you have to do to get the engine out. We took the separated the cab from the frame. The bolt there, bolt there, bolt there, bolt in the back, both sides. Brake booster. What else do we do? Steering rod. Steering rod, wiring harness. And we lifted the body up on the lift. Frame is on the ground, and we unbolted the motor. Here it is a diesel. This idiot drove without oil. And what are we going to do? Fix it or replace it? Rebuild it? What kind of job is that? Money, roughly. Several $1,000s. That's all I could say. And a lot of time. So that's what you have to do to get the engine out. Joe Beermaster, amazing.